Hi everyone, I'm Tony from SUS.com. A few months back I made a video to show you how to turn a DJI Mavic into a thermal vision drone using the FLIR thermal vision camera called the FLIR Boson. So since then we have updated a package called the VuIR Boson for it to work on the DJI Mavic Air as well. So because it's a quick, convenient and cost-effective and lightweight package, we had to make some sacrifice, and one of the things that it was a fixed mount on the DJI Mavic. So with that, you have more flight time, but the drawback is that you will experience some shaking if you are flying this in the windy conditions. And I have good news for you today. It's called the VuIR Touch Boson for the FLIR Boson, for it to work on the Mavic. Okay, so what it is like I said, a 3-axis gimbal stabilization system for the FLIR Boson. On the left here is the FLIR Boson 640, and on the right is the FLIR Boson 220. You can see here is a touchscreen controller to control the functions of the gimbal system. So I can quickly attach it on top of the DJI Mavic and fly it. It also has the DVR for recording the video out of the FLIR Boson, because you can see that the FLIR Boson is a core camera. It doesn't come with a DVR or anything, so we've incorporated a tiny little DVR inside. More than that, it has the video downlink, 5.8 analog video downlink for viewing the video live on this monitor right here, which also included in the package. It has the battery, so you can see it powers by itself without even needing the drone. So you can move it anywhere you like, hold it in your hand, do close-up inspections. And another great feature here I've just mentioned is that it has the control system. The VuIR Boson package fixed mount on the Mavic released previously doesn't have a way to control the FLIR Boson in real time, like changing color palettes. You have to plug into a computer and use a FLIR Boson app to change color palettes and other settings of the FLIR Boson. Not anymore with this VuIR Touch B for the FLIR Boson. You can have all the 10 color palettes right here, and you can touch the color palettes and change in real time when you fly. So it's very intuitive. You know, all the preview of the color palettes are right here. So what you see is what you get. Another feature is that you can do digital zoom on the FLIR Boson camera. You can also change the gain mode. For example, if you fly to find some search and rescue mission, you want to go use the high gain mode, or if you want to search very, look at the factory or anything that at very high temperature, then you switch to low gain mode with the wider range of temperature, or you can switch it to auto gain mode. So with this controller, you can control the tilting and panning of the gimbal, of course. You can press the button for it to record the video. Press it one more time to stop recording, so you know when it is recording and when it is not, and how much time you left on the SD card. Another great feature is that we have made a DVR menu right here, so that you can access the previously recorded videos. This one, for example, I want to play it for you. We flew it outside. It's very smooth and stable, even in its windy condition, that you can see in the end of this video. Here we go. That's how we flew it. It's recorded. So I can hit stop for it to stop, and then exit from here to live view. Another thing you can do is access the menus of the DVR to change the settings, recording quality, the language. So we've made it very convenient for you to do everything from this controller. So this is a quick mount on the DJI Mavic Pro. even though we've flown it, flown it very well, it's handled pretty well in windy conditions. If you want to change to something else, we already have this as well. It's a quick adapter to snap on top of the DJI Mavic, in this case Mavic Pro Platinum. You can quickly attach and remove. It's secure enough for you to hold the entire camera system on top, and for this you can mount it a little bit to the center of the Mavic so everything is a little more balanced. Another question you might ask is how about if I don't have a DJI Mavic, or I want to move this to something else. If I have a Phantom 4 like this one, I can do so. I will switch it to the upright position, and you can see it's operated in the upright mode, and you can see it fits very well on the Phantom 4. Thanks everyone for watching this video. After this we're going to do some follow-up videos with unboxing and introducing the features in depth. Meanwhile, if you have any questions or comments, please leave below in the box. We would be more than happy to answer you. You could also call us or email us to discuss. We would be more than happy to figure out a package for you. And please check out our website at suas.com for more information and also the pricing. Thanks everyone again for watching this video, and please do subscribe to our channel for more updates from us.